you're an Indian business selling internationally, this one settings can completely change how you track your profit margin. In next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to configure multi-currency pricing in Odoo so your cost stays in INR while your customer sees prices in USD. So this automatically converts, always accurate. So let's get into the magic of Odoo multi-currencies. To manage with it, ensure that you have the base currency in INR. So let's move on to the settings and let's dive into the company. So you can move on to the users and companies, and I would like to consider the company as Cybrosys Technology, where you can see that the company is located in India and it will be having the base currency as INR. Now you just need to ensure that you are using this company as your default company. Later on, move on to the accounting module, and from there you can just move on to the configuration, and there you can see that we have set up the package of localization as India, and you can see that we'll be using the base currency as INR. So you can see that the main currency of your company is INR. Later on, you can move on to the configuration and choose currencies from here and enable the INR and USD. So as you just move on to the product, you can see that in the product currently the cost will be in INR and the selling price or the sales price will be in USD. So here you can see that the cost is given in INR and the selling price is in USD. So if you just want to manage your business manually, I mean, not manually, internationally with multiple currencies, that buying of the item in one currency and selling the item in another currency, you can use these features of Odoo multi-currencies. So once it's done, let's move on with the demo. So in this case, we can just consider that we are just going to create a bill for the purchase of the item of the wooden chair. So as you just try to create the bill over here, you can see that let me choose the vendor ready mat, and let's set the bill date, which is mandatory to set the bill date. Later on, I'll be choosing the product, which is the wooden chair. So once you choose the items, you can see that the price will be calculated in INR, which is shown over here. Now, as you just move on to the customer invoices, you can see that, but we'll be selling the item in USD. So here I would like to choose Abigail Peterson as the customer, and let me choose the item, which is wooden chair. So as I just choose the chair, here you can see that, but we'll be selling the item in dollar. So you can see the item. So currently you can change the currency over here as USD, and you can see, yeah, it's been changed and we don't need to apply any cost over here. Okay, so it's been shown. So that's how we manage with multi-currencies without using a price list in Odoo. And if you just want to manage your business internationally with multiple currencies, you can just go ahead with this feature. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.